Well, good morning, everybody. And Shunde Abiola, David, Hunku Alikama here once again. I want to say Happy New Year to you from my hand. And welcome once again to Digital Matters with Hunku Alikama. And I want to say I'm very, very sorry for, starting this video blog and very late this year because I really need to put some things in order. So that's why I've not been, forthcoming for the past few weeks. So I really want to apologize, but I want to say that we have started the series this year, and it promises to be a great time together. So we've started, just like I said, and today I will be showing you one of the benefits. We are still looking at the digital tools. Yes, the digital tools that you can use to leverage your business. The last episode, I think we discussed and we looked at how to use Viapa app to organize your business, in terms of sales, invoicing, stock, taking inventories, creating business cards and creating receipts for your clients and ensuring that you automate your business. So I want to continue in that line, and this time around I will be showing you the power of Facebook. I want to believe you use Facebook, yeah, because I do as well. So I'll be starting with how we can maximize the potentials that are embedded in that platform called Facebook. And for this week, I will be sharing with you how to create Facebook page. I'm sorry about that. How to create a Facebook page, how to create and also optimize a Facebook page. It's actually a part of my online course that I will make available for you and to you for free this morning. So join me as I switch over to the other side. But before I switch over, I want you to do just 2 or 3 things to me. If you are watching this video right now, please like this video. I beg of you. If you are watching it from YouTube, please click on that button, that subscribe button with that bell, that doorbell icon, so that you have updates as touching every other new videos that I'll be posting on that channel. And please, I love to interact with my fans, so please, if you have any question, you have anything, or you just want to encourage me to do more with this video, drop a comment on the comment box below. And I want to say that together we can actually help other people be educated and maximize their potential, even in life and in business. Thank you once again. Let me switch over to show you how to create a Facebook page for your product or for your brand or your services, and how to maximize it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you at the other side. Welcome back to the Facebook Ad Crash Course, and you are still with Shunde Abiola Damilare, David and Hunku Alikama. And now we want to go to the practical aspect of the course, and I want to believe you've downloaded the Facebook app on Google Play Store or whatever platform you are using. If it is iPhone, you can go ahead to do that. So the next thing you do is you go over to let me, for the case of those that don't that can't do it, let me just go over and show them how that is done. So just go over to the Play Store app on your phone, just like what you have seen me do. then you launch it. You see on the search bar, you see search for app, just type Facebook. So you see install, but here I need to update this app because it needs to be updated. But in your case, if you don't have this app with you, you will need to, you see install, so just click on install. So just click on update. So at the same time, let's look for the Facebook ad manager. You just come to Facebook again, then you click on ad manager, then so you see install in this button here, but already it's been updated. So just click on install if that is your case, and you can use it that way. Now that's how to download our app. Instagram as well. I think I still have Instagram somewhere here. Let me check. Okay, I just need to enable Instagram. So Instagram also is available. So that's that on that. So like I said, what I want to do now is we want to create our Facebook page. I hope somebody is excited. That's what we want to do now. We want to create a Facebook page. So a Facebook page is different from your normal profile. So let me just show you around. it. I just hope it will have been downloaded. So this is your app. Just go to F, you see F, see Facebook. Can you see it? So just click on it. So okay, it's still installing. Wow, it's back. So let's wait for it while it loads. It's loading. Yeah, this is the Facebook app, and this is what we are going to be using. So this is, you have this icon. Can you see this point here that I am pointing at, where my image is? If you click on it, this is how your Facebook profile will look like. This is how my own Facebook profile looks like. So it's quite different from how your Facebook page is. So let me look at all of my pages. This is where all of my pages are. This flag icon stands for page. So these are the pages I run, and those I have over 30 of them that I run for myself and for other companies that I've actually worked with. So this is my page, not my profile account, but my page. This is my Facebook page. So it's a bit different. As you can see, this is different from the one I showed you the other time. So this is my Facebook page. So with this page now, I can promote anything. I can post. I can invite friends to like my page if I want to. I can invite friends to like my page if I want to. I can run ads on this page because it's a page. So that's what we want to do now. It's different from your profile. This is your profile. It's your normal profile, which everybody has. Now, the next thing we'll be doing now is we want to create our page. So you just come to this, click on this flag here, this flag icon here, and you will see create. I hope you can see those buttons. You see discover, invite, like page, and all that. So what we want to do is just want to click on create. So you see get started on the bottom. Just click on get started. Then you see what do you want your name to be. So I can just give you the name. You have a name for the page. That is the name of your business, or the name of the product, or your personal, or your name, your brand name. Just give it any name that you know will go in line with the service or the products you want to sell. So for in this case, I'll be doing biometric, or I just do for example, I want to use it to sell my biometric, because that's what I want to use in this course. Biometric center. Let me just biometric center. So I will just click on next. Like for this is just an example. For the category, which type of page do you want to create? Is it under personal blog? Is it product or service? Do you want to use it to advertise your product or service? Or is it a shopping? Do you have a shopping service? Or you have a store, an online offline store that you want to use? For example, I want to run it as an online store. So I just click on this online store. Then I also click on I can also use the search term by clicking on biotechnology. Let me just use ICT. I hope that one comes out. It doesn't. Let me try information. So I can click on computer company. So I can also click on product and service. It depends on the category. You must be able to, you must understand the category you're breed. If you are into agriculture, you just type agriculture. Just type agriculture. If you are into fashion, just type fashion. If you are into beauty, just click on this health and beauty. So please, you need to do it very well and very right. So the next thing you do is, after you have picked that category, you click on next. So then you type the address of your business. I'll just say, if it is Ikeja, just say Ikeja, Lagos. So then you click on next. Do you have a website? If you have a website, fine. If you don't have a website, just click on I do not have a website. Then you click on next. The next thing is you need to add your profile picture. So you just click on this middle icon. I click on this as my profile picture. Then I save it. Then this photo, this hard cover photo, just click on it. I will use this graphic that I've designed. You can choose anything that will just indicate your business. You can pick it, and you can use it. I hope you can see it. Then you click on done. So I already have my new Facebook page. So the next thing you need to do is to now invite friends. You need to add image to this. Yes, you need to do all this. You need to invite friends. So you can select all your friends, select all, then send invite. You just send invite. But this is a demo. I don't want people to like it, so I just click back. So then you can create your welcome post. Just say, thank you for joining biometric center. That's your first post, so that when people come, I advise that you create up to 3 to 4 posts in the space of 3 days, for a start. But if you don't have the luxury of time, just create a post and leave it that way. So that's our welcome post. We have created that already. So the next thing is you need to connect your WhatsApp number. Please you will need to do this immediately. Please don't skip this video, do this. So all you need to do is just to click on connect WhatsApp, because it is this WhatsApp number that we will be using, as your funnel, as where people will, stop by, will be able to reach you when you are running your ad. So you must use the number that is really on your WhatsApp and on your phone, so that when people call or when people wants to reach you, they are reaching that number. Just type the number, but I will not type it here because this is just a demo. So just type the number and follow the prompting. It will send a confirmation code. Put the confirmation code into the space that will be provided, and voila. Please ensure that you connect your WhatsApp to the page. Please, it's going to really, help us a great deal. So, because of our time, I will not be able to do that. So, next thing is you add button. So, click on add button. Choose a button you want people to. So, since this is an online store, I will choose the shop now button. You can choose the shop now button. If you have a website, just put the website. If you don't have a website, you put your WhatsApp number, your WhatsApp link. So let me tell you how we create WhatsApp link, whereby when people click, they will just be redirected to your WhatsApp page. You type https:// then wa.me/, then your phone number. Note that we start with the country code, no plus. Our country code is in Nigeria is what? 234. You start with 234. Then you remove the 40 from your number. Then it will be 81128112352734. So this will be your WhatsApp link. I hope you are getting me. This will be your WhatsApp link. I hope that is gotten. So you just click on create. So anytime people comes to your website, they will see that. So you need to add any other information about your website, your phone number, your email, your working hour and all that. You need to add that. Then you are done. So as you can see, then here you need to create your name page, your username. So you click on, you see create page at username. I hope you can see it, this angle here. Just click on it. Then you now type your hat. So biometric. It's telling me that somebody has picked it. Central. So it tells me that it has not been picked, and I'll just click on create username. So as you can see, it will be created almost. It will be approved much later. So that's that on creating your Facebook. Remember, create your username, your Facebook username. I don't know why it's not. Let me try it again. Biometric Central. Create username. So I think it should have been done. So that's that on that. Then your WhatsApp. As you can see, invite on WhatsApp. So then ensure that you invite your friends as well. So that's that on creating a Facebook page. So go ahead and create your own Facebook page. So in the next video, we will start running our ad. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.